Good morning students, welcome back to our English class. Today we will be dealing with the chapter 5, that is footprints without feet. Yes, you heard it right, footprints without feet. It is actually the name of the book itself, isn't it? So what does it mean? Footprints without feet, okay? Footprints. What is the meaning of footprints? Yes, the impression of the foot, and without feet means, something. We are unable to see the print of the foot, but it is there. This one, what should we say? The floor, as we see the floor, we can see that something is there, somebody has gone through that, but we are unable to see the footprints, okay? Then, what is it actually dealing with? Yeah, something scientific, okay? Something scientific is being dealt here. Footprints without feet deals with a person called Griffin. Who is Griffin now? Yeah, I told you it is related to science. So, it is a science person. He is a science person. Who is a science person? Yes, he can be a scientist. Okay. So, Griffin was a scientist, but he was another type of a scientist. And what is that another type? Yeah, he was using all his powers, scientific powers, for his personal use. And you can know that by personal we can say that nobody else will be liking what he wants. So, he is adamant to get what he wants, and he goes to whichever extent he can to get that. Okay. So, whatever is coming on his way, he is trying to throw it out by creating some nuisance over there. For example, we have another characters over here, that is a clergyman and wife. Clergyman means a person, a priest, okay? A clergyman means who deals with the church and all that, and his wife. So, he is doing some misbehavior with them also, and Mr. and Mrs. Hall. There is another character, the 4 characters, they have been manipulated by this Griffin. Okay, and Mr. Jaffers. Who is this Mr. Jaffer? Yeah, he is a constable. Okay, who is he? He is a constable. Now, he is the person who is trying to catch this Griffin. Let us see if he is able to do that or not. So, let me come back to the lesson here. This was written by Herbert George Wells. So, he is shortly called H.G. Wells. Okay, he is called H.G. Wells, and he was known for his novels, historic novels, scientific fiction and history novels. Okay, so his great books were The Invisible Man, The Island of Dr. Moreau, etc. So, let us see what is happening over here. I will just read few points so that you can get a much better idea of the book. Okay? The story Footprints Without Feet describes the story of a brilliant scientist. So, what is the meaning of brilliant? Yeah, very, very intelligent. And I have already written over here, Griffin, an eccentric scientist. Who is an eccentric scientist? Yeah, the person who is having a much more, he is not a normal person, an abnormality. You can find an abnormality in him. And what is he doing? He has taken a pill. You know what is a pill? Yeah, it is a tablet. And as he swallowed the tablet, he got invisible. Okay, that is, he got invisible because he was not wearing his clothes, and he understood that I can use this power to manipulate anything. I can get anything in this world by this power. Did you all understand? So what is he doing? He is trying to get whatever he wants, and through this power. So first and foremost, what is he doing? He was thrown out of the place where he was living because he burnt that house. Okay, he burned the landlord's house, and that is why he threw it. The landlord had thrown him out of the house because he was creating a lot of nuisance for them, and literally he burned that house also, so he was thrown out. Okay, so he was roaming around without food and clothing, and once he went into a shop and he saw some eatables and all that. He was very hungry, and there also he started doing his own mischievous works. Okay, the next slot is like that. He did not use this power for humanity. What is the meaning of humanity? Yeah, to be kind, to give somebody help. Okay, to use it for something very helpful, very meaningful. So they are talking about here is the power of invisibility for the welfare of the society and humanity at large. He was not using that. Okay. Next, he misused it to threaten, trouble and beat innocent persons. So what he used to do is, he used to threaten the people, then stole things from the shops with this power. And remember, whenever he is naked only he can be invisible. With clothes, the other people can see him. So once this Jafar was caught, this constable Jafar wanted to catch that person, Griffin, and literally he got him, but unfortunately because of his invisibility, they lost his catch. Did you understand? So each and every time he was caught, he was doing this act of science. Did you understand? Next, what is he doing? Yeah, actually the story ends by Jafar, the constable, who could not catch Griffin, although all the people were around. Did you understand the story now? Please go through the story line by line in your book, and next time you can answer the questions. Okay? Thank you, students.